So the first track, of course, is going to be an audio track. And in order to create one, you need to tell Cubase where the input comes from your hardware device or from somewhere else maybe. And you need to tell Cubase if this is going to be a mono or a stereo track. In this example, we go with a mono track. So if we did that, we can now just start recording with this track. Therefore, this little red button here needs to be enabled. And then we can just press this record button here and the recording should start. Hey, this is a recording. If this didn't work for you and your audio looks something like this, you gotta make sure that you selected the right input from your interface, because yeah, your interface might provide multiple inputs and you gotta make sure that you record on the right one. And if you would like to hear yourself while talking, you can press this little loudspeaker button here, which enables the monitor function.